Monty coming right back with you, and I got some munchies to share you. These, I'm not really sure what peppers they are, but I got them at a good deal. So I'm gonna stuff these with some cream cheese and some bacon and some roasted jalapenos. Check it out. And might as well throw some cheese in there too. I've been eating a lot of this. That iron steak, that flat iron steak, I've been eating it like crazy. And yesterday I made some with, I had no idea how good it was. And so I made some with some jalapenos. These are the leftovers. They were so hot. I ate like 5 jalapenos. That first one was so intense. It was so friggin' good. So friggin' good. I hurt myself, literally, y'all. I was hurting. But it was so good. It was worth it. Something about that jalapeno spice, I don't know, it's just so good. Anyways, it hurt so bad, but, the first one was the worst, and then the next 4 went down. Well, here's the deal, too, guys. Excuse me, Janie. Janie's wondering who I'm talking to, my little dog. This stuff, this right here, this is a bad boy. This is a bad boy seasoning. I'm going to tell you, the Chupacabra by 2 Gringos have no affiliation with that company, only that I am a fan of their product. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get those peppers. I'll do a quick little search on Kroger and see what kind of peppers they are. Y'all probably know. I'm not really sure. So what kind of peppers we're working with, and then I'm going to make a mixture of the cream cheese, bacon, some cheese, and those roasted jalapenos. They're rotisserie cooked jalapenos. Yeah, they're friggin' bad to the bone. So we'll get it all whipped up because I need to eat before we go out. It's like 11 o'clock. I've been diddle-dabbling, so I need to get my meal on because I think I'm going to take the dogs out to the park, and then I need some energy. And then I got a tri-tip I'm going to put up here too, so that should be pretty good. So much good food, so little time. And I need to work out too. I've been really putting it on. I've been eating a lot of red meat, guys. I'm sorry. Anyways, yeah. Alright, so those peppers were, I think these are Hatch chilies, Anaheim peppers, I think. I'm not sure. But if I got them in the tri-tip, I'm doing pretty good. I got my thing going on, my Southern California, New Mexico thing rocking right now with the tri-tip and the Hatch peppers. But anyways, I cleaned these guys off already. I'm going to have to process them down, cut off the tops, and then we're going to make our mixture right now with the cream cheese and the cheese and jalapenos and bacon. This is a tad bit of bacon I have left over, so. Alright, let's get this thing rocking and rolling. I want to use a molded pedestal. Alright, I want to use this in plastic. Probably not the best idea, but I'm going to be very gentle with it. So let's get this thing started. Yeah, this is Tillamook cream cheese. They had this for like $1 a piece, I think. 99 cents a stick, maybe $1.99. And I figure I'd buy a few of them. Check it out, because their ice cream is the best ice cream ever. Yeah, Tillamook has, I think they use like the highest concentration of fat, milk fat, how much the highest degree of fat in a dairy product or something. Alright, so we can go ahead and get these jalapenos, dice these up real quick, get them in there. Be careful not to get any plastic in your food, people. I just like to work, just to get this thing done with. I don't want to put these things on a cutting board. It's a pain in the butt. Cleaning a cutting board, because all that stuff, I have to clean all my stuff by hand, and which I don't mind it. But it's just like the more mess you make, the more stuff you got to clean up at the end of the night. Yeah, the point of cooking is it's makes a huge mess, you know, especially if you get extravagant and do real complicated dishes. Like Asian food. Asian food's a good example. You're getting a lot of stuff. In Indian food as well, you get a lot of stuff going on when you're getting in there. Especially if you're like making a curry fresh. Could be a little messy. I like to watch the guys on the, you know, those late night vendors in India. And they do like the milk drinks, the milk-based drinks. I'm doing all this by hand. I'm just jamming with it. We're going loose, y'all. No real method to the madness. And a little bit chupacabra. Boom. And I'm going to mix it up a little bit. I don't know if this is going to help, but I kind of want it to be a little more, just like a little dash of half and half. Just to kind of, you know, make a slightly bit more runny. I'm going to work it all in together. See if I can smash this stuff. I know I'm not supposed to be using a plastic bowl with a masher, but I'm being very gentle because I'm getting the microplastics in me anyway, so. Alright. I'm going to switch over to a regular spoon. I got the jalapenos mashed. And I want to get mashed. Okay, yeah, it's ready. Ready for the spoon. Use this guy. One of my favorite large spoons, I think. This is a soup spoon. No, this is not a soup spoon. Not sure exactly what spoon this is called. But it's a good sturdy spoon. And it serves me well. Oh yeah, we're still mixing. Dang, that looks pretty good. Already. Alright, I was thinking this was going to come through a little creamier, but I guess maybe I should just keep mixing. I put some big jalapeno. I should have processed those jalapenos down a little further. If I had a food processor, which I do, I just didn't feel like getting it out. Maybe a food processor would have worked. Well, look, I'm getting my cutting board out anyway. Go ahead, preheat the oven. I think we're going to be rocking in no time. This is probably going to be the most labor-intensive part. I'll try to make it quick. Show you how quick we can work. It is possible to work quick. Just got to be careful not to lose any fingers. So these hatch peppers are slightly spicy. Pop out the insides. When I'm working with peppers, I'm always a little weary of getting those oils on my fingers. Oh my gosh, you get those hot oils under your nails, good luck, buddy. Good luck. And you know, this is just a quick meal before I go out and hit the road, y'all. So nothing crazy. You could take more time with it, make it much more complicated. But it's all going to be eaten anyway. Just drop the hatch. It is now rinsed. Yep. Dropping food at home, you can pick it up. It's a complicated ethical issue. It really is. Me at home, I'm gonna eat it, you know, and then boom. Alright, so we got these peppers now. They're hollowed out, they're cored. You know what I should have done? I should have just opened them up instead of doing it the hard way. Whatever. They're going to taste good. Regardless. Last one. Alright, let's throw it in there. Like I said, I preheated it to 400. You know what? We're going to bake it. We're going to bake it. We're switching to bake. We're switching it to bake. We're going to do some evasive maneuvers, some advanced maneuvers. Take this thing out. Switch that thing down to yonder. Feel like there's something missing. There we go. All right, y'all. Make sure we got our time right. Set it for 20, check it in 15. And we hit preheat. Alright, we'll see you soon. Alright, not so fun part, the cleaning and putting away of the dishes. I got this thing down. Alright, when I put that oven on, I wouldn't have put it on at 400, but when I turned it to bake, it shifted the temperature to, now looks pretty good. When I switched the oven to bake, it went to 350, which isn't bad. Alright, we're going to give it a few minutes, let those just kind of chill out for a minute and go to form. Alright. So yeah, that's how they came out. Oh yeah. Let's see how it tastes. Prepared. Alright, let's go for the first bite. That rocks. That's a fun way to eat your vegetables. And it's so hot. So spicy. Eat your heads chilies, guys. Enjoy the season. I'll be back with some tri-tip.